Spine surgery has come a long way from large incisions and long recovery time. Today, patients can benefit from MISS, that is minimally invasive spine surgery, which offers smaller incisions, less pain and faster recovery with better cosmesis. One of the most revolutionary advancements in MISS is metric system, a specialized surgical technique that allows for precise, targeted spine surgery without excessive muscle damage. But what exactly is metric system? How does it work? And why is it considered a game changer in spine surgery? In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about the metric system, including how it works, its benefits, and who it is recommended for. Hi, I'm Dr. Arvind G. Kulkarni. I'm a consultant spine surgeon at Mumbai Spine, Scoliosis and Disc Replacement Center. And we operate at Breach Candy, Bombay, Saifi and HN Reliance hospitals. Over the years, I've seen spine surgery evolve from open procedures with large incisions to highly advanced minimally invasive techniques. One of the most significant innovations in this field is the metric system. I was one of the pioneers in introducing this particular metric system in India in 2007 and started doing microendoscopic procedures. And since then, it has transformed the way we approach spine surgery. Let's take a close look at how this cutting-edge technology works and how it benefits patients. What is this system? The metric system is a minimally invasive surgical platform used for spinal decompression procedures such as treating herniated disc, spinal stenosis, and nerve compression of any kind. It allows spine surgeons to perform precise surgical procedures through a small incision using a tubular retractor system and an endoscopic camera or the microscope. Key features of the metric system: uses a small incision instead of a large open cut. It employs a tubular retractor to gently separate muscles instead of cutting them. It utilizes a high resolution microscope or an endoscope for precision, minimizes trauma to the surrounding tissues and speeds up the recovery. The metric system is specifically designed to provide the same surgical efficacy as traditional open spine surgery, but with far less damage to muscles and soft tissues. How does it work? This metric system follows a step-by-step process that allows surgeons to access the spine without disrupting important structures. The surgeon operates to a very small incision. Instead of a large open cut, the surgeon makes a very small incision. Then a tubular retractor is placed. How is it placed? A specialized dilatation system is used to separate the muscle fibers without cutting them. A tubular retractor of appropriate diameter is then placed over the surgical site, creating a minimally invasive working port. This keeps the muscles and the soft tissues intact while providing direct access to the spine. Endoscopic or microscopic visualization is performed using a high resolution endoscopic camera or microscope that is inserted through the tube. This magnifies the surgical area, allowing for precise movements and improved accuracy. Targeted surgery. The surgeon carefully removes the herniated disc material, trims the bony spurs, cuts the thick ligaments compressing the spinal nerves, and thus decompresses the nerves. Since the tubular system keeps the surrounding muscles intact, there is hardly any bleeding and very minimal post-operative pain. Once the surgery is completed, the instruments and retractor are removed. The very small incision is closed with an absorbable stitch and closed with an adhesive. This technique significantly reduces trauma to the spine and surrounding muscles, leading to a fast and more comfortable recovery. The metric system is used to treat a variety of spinal conditions, particularly those that involve nerve compression and spinal instability. These include herniated disc, that is a bulging or a ruptured disc which can put pressure on spinal nerves, causing pain, weakness and numbness. The metric system allows for precise removal of the disc material while preserving the healthy tissue. It also helps in spinal stenosis, which is one of the most common indications for surgery using the metric system. A narrowing of the spinal canal can cause nerve compression, leading to leg pain, numbness and difficulty in walking. Using the metric system, the bony spurs are trimmed, the thickened ligaments are excised to relieve pressure on the nerves. Sciatica and nerve compression, that is pinched nerves, as a result of any cause, can be treated with metric system. The metric system can decompress the affected nerves with minimal disruption of the surrounding tissues. Also, in cases where there is spinal instability, the metric system can be used in conjunction with percutaneous stabilization techniques to maintain spinal alignment. The minimally invasive approach ensures that patients recover faster with less post-operative pain and fewer complications. So the metric system offers several advantages over traditional open spine surgery: smaller incisions and less scarring. Traditional spine surgery requires long incision, cutting through muscles and tissue. The metric system uses a tiny incision, leading to minimal scarring and faster healing. There is less muscle damage. In open surgery, muscles are cut and pulled apart, leading to prolonged recovery. Metric system separates muscle instead of cutting them, preserves the strength and flexibility, reduce blood loss and lower risk of infection. Smaller incision result in less bleeding and there is a lesser exposure of the surface to bacteria, thereby leading to lower risk of post-operative infection, faster recovery and shorter hospital stay. So many patients go home the same day or within the next 24 hours. Return to normal activity is much quicker compared to a traditional open surgery. There is a lower need for medication. With less tissue damage, patients experience less pain. This reduces the dependence on painkillers and opioids. The Matrix system has revolutionized spine surgery, making it quicker and more effective with a quicker recovery time. Now, who is a good candidate for Matrix system? The Matrix system is ideal for patients with localized nerve compression or disc-related spine conditions. Very rarely is it not suitable for a particular kind of a condition. A thorough physical evaluation complemented with MRI and X-rays will help in determining if the Matrix system is the right choice for your condition. Finally, the Matrix system is a breakthrough in spine surgery, offering patients a minimally invasive, highly effective solution for treating spinal conditions. If you or your loved ones have been diagnosed with any spine condition, it is important to explore minimally invasive options like the Matrix system. I will be sharing more insights on spine treatments, recovery tips and advanced surgical techniques. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video with anyone whom you feel might benefit. Your spine health matters. Stay informed, stay strong. See you in next video.